First, I'll present the executive summary about the objective of the business plan. Hi, I'm Furoting, metric number 273285. I will start to present the business plan of JStore. JStore is a business selling phone accessories which is funded by 5 business partners with a total model 3000. There are 3 objectives of this business plan. First, to provide the guidance to start a business, as we believe that a detailed business plan can be served as a roadmap to achieve our business goals. Second, this business plan also creates the goals and objectives of our business, which we are determined to achieve. Lastly, a business plan can be used as a helpful tool to acquire the business financing from banks and other lenders, as they can have a clear understanding about our business by reading at this business plan. Next, I will present about the business value. JStore has 3 business values, which are integrity, customer focus, and teamwork. We will maintain the highest ethical standards in every transactions and communications, as we believe honesty can build strong relationships with customers and eventually gain customer loyalty. Our customer is always our priority. We will ensure every customer receives high-quality product with reasonable price, as we aim to gain customer satisfaction. In JStore, teamwork is our core value. We trust and respect every team members, and we work as a team to meet our common goals. Now I present the business summary about the purpose of the business. JStore is the merchandising business. We run a kiosk at Aeon Penang and use cash as our mode of transactions. The purpose of this business is to enter the mobile phone accessories market, as we notice that phone accessories have become the necessities for all phone users. This shows that there is a high demand in this market. We cannot define that there is a high potential for new entity to enter the market because there is a low barrier to entry. This will also lead to a high competition level, which is the challenge we are going to face. However, we are ready to face this challenge by using our strategies. Second, this business also provides a platform to be an entrepreneur. We have 5 business partners with different expertise and knowledge. We believe that this business will be the stage for all of our partners to perform their talents. This is why we named the business as J, which stands for 加油, in Mandarin means fighting. We hope our partners can keep their enthusiasm in running the business and achieve success in the future. Lastly, we also want to encourage people to start doing business, as this can stimulate our country's economic growth and reduce the unemployment rate. Next, I'll present about the management team. This is the organizational chart for JStore and some examples of the responsibilities of our managers. We have total 5 positions in this business. First, Ms. Tan Vijay is the general manager. She will oversee the whole business operation and plan the strategic direction. Besides, Mr. Oi Ying Hong is the financial manager. He is responsible for the financial part of the business, such as prepare budgets and financial statements. Next, Ms. Ng Xiang Yi is the marketing manager. She will analyze the market trends and develop the pricing strategy. Me, Fu Roting, is the human resource manager. I will be responsible for hiring and training the employees, as well as evaluate their performance. Lastly, we have Ms. Lim Ik Ling as our operations manager. She will collect the orders, arrange time to distribute, and oversee the inventory management. Now I will pass to the next presenter. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Wing Hong and my message number is 273430. I would like to present about the vision and mission of JStore. The vision of JStore is to achieve success in the mobile phone accessories industry by creating our own brand and expanding operation abroad in future. While the mission of JStore is to gain customer loyalty by providing the best quality products and services, as well as to expand the customer base by increasing the variety of products and services in the future.
I am Lim Ik Ling and my metric number is 273071. Now I will present about market analysis summary, which is market segmentation. Our business, JStore, will focus its marketing activities to all phone users who can purchase our product at our kiosk located at Elmo Bukit Mertajam, Penang. Here are the reasons why we focus on all phone users as our customers. Firstly, the phone accessories are necessary for them to keep their phones safe. For instance, the customer who purchased our product, which is macaron phone case, can make sure that their phones will not crack easily due to accidents. Besides that, we also observe that most young adults crave advanced feature and personalization options for their phones, as the phones is nowadays one of their everyday life. Next is about market needs under market analysis summary. Our business target all phone users including male and female. We have the products that meet customers' needs. For instance, our first product, which is cable, have variety type that is suitable for their phones, so they can use the cable purchase to connect their phones to other devices without using the internet. Besides that, our products, which are 90 tempered glass and also macaron phone case, are able to protect and exaggerate the longevity of the phones. Lastly, the Bluetooth earbuds is also convenient and have long battery life. It is also widely used in some outdoor activities such as fitness, sports, and others virtual reality. Now I will present about SWOT analysis under marketing strategy. The strength for our business is market size is huge. Our business focuses on all phone users market. Hence, the demand for our business product is considered favorable. The second strength is we sell products in reasonable price. We believe that products with reasonable price can attract more customers. Meanwhile, for our business weakness are limited variety of products, as we only sell 4 types of products and also unstable sales. Mobile phone accessories business is a business that is hard to forecast and control. Our sales are always changing depending on the crowd in the shopping mall. For the opportunity part, mobile phones are the most important method of communicating. Therefore, they will not easily be replaced by other tools. Besides, we will also have new product development, as we will sell more product in the future once we get profit to attract more customers. Lastly is the threat. We will have more and more competitors selling the same product in the market. We will also have competitors that promote their products using variety advertising way, which is also more costly to the business. Therefore, our business gesture will be subject to face a lot more competition, as advertising is significant to control and draw the attention of the customers.
Hi, my name is Ng Xiang Yi, metric number 273345. Now, I would like to present about marketing strategy 4P of marketing mix. 4P of marketing mix divided into product, price, place, promotion, and also supplier. First, product. J-Store focus on phone accessory as our main product. We decide to sell 4 varieties of product to attract customers and satisfy their needs. First is cable, which is Peveria brand and have 3 types that are micro USB, Type-C, and Lightning. Second is Bluetooth earbuds, which is import 12 and it has black, gray, white, blue, green, yellow, and pink color. Next is 90 tempered glass and macaron phone case. The function of these 2 products is protecting mobile phone from destroy. Macaron phone case has 4 colors, which is Tiffany blue, purple, pink, and gray. Our most protection product is 90 tempered glass, as almost all of the people are using phones nowadays. So this becomes a necessity for all phone users in their daily life in order to protect their mobile phones. Second, price. JStore set the price of the product at an acceptable rate and affordability in order to attract customers for purchasing. The prices are determined by all the group members in a discussion. JStore sells cable at 18 ringgit, Bluetooth earbuds at 40 ringgit, 90 tempered glass and macaron phone case both at 15 ringgit. We sell 90 tempered glass at this price is because we provide glass pasting service together with the product. Third, price. JStore price its product at a kiosk of Aeon Mall Bukit Mertajam, Penang and starts daily business from 10 a.m. until 9:30 p.m. every day. Next, promotion. The promotion that JStore used to sustain the products is Facebook advertisement. JStore has set up an advertisement on Facebook with a period of 5 days to boost the like of page and the product of JStore. Lastly, supplier. JStore gets the product supply from the wholesale store JRF ACC Resources that is located at Penang, rather than seller overseas. Hence, we can get our stock supply in a shorter period of time. Next, I would like to continue my presentation with sales forecast and strategy. Sales forecast. Sales forecast refers to how much of a product is likely to be sold in a specific future period in a specific market at specific price. An accurate sales forecast is important since it enables the management team to estimate the quantity of product to be purchased from the suppliers monthly. The table shows the sales forecast in October, November, and December 2020. For cable, there are 55 units in October, 55 units in November, 70 units in December. Total 180 units, 3,240 ringgit. For Bluetooth earbuds, there are 35 units, 39 units, 46 units in October, November, and December respectively. Total 120 units, 4,800 ringgit. For 90 tempered glass and macaron phone case, each have sales forecast unit 60 units, 80 units, and 100 units in October, November, December. Total 240 units, 3,060 ringgit each. The total sales unit in October are 210 units and total sales are 4,190 ringgit. In November, there are 254 sales units, 4,950 ringgit total sales. In December, the total sales units are 316 units and total sales are 6,100 ringgit. In these 3 months, the total sales forecast are 780 units and 15,240 ringgit.
Hi, my name is Tan Vijay, metric number 273110. Now I would like to present the sales strategy. The sales strategy that JStore use include target the right customer, and the customer that we target are all phone users. We managed to sell a product at a reasonable price to increase our sales unit and attract more customers. We will also promote through the social media like Facebook, Instagram, and so on to help our business growth. Next, we will talk about the break-even analysis. Break-even analysis is technique used by the production management and management accountant to indicate the level of sale at the profit is zero. It refers to the point in which the total revenue equal to the total expenses. In this part, we will use the contribution method to calculate our break-even point for 4 products. We have to determine the variable expenses from the price of a product, and the amount is then used to cover the fixed expenses. Step 1. Determine the fixed and variable expenses. The variable expenses include the purchase price of each product and the sales commission. The sales commission are given RM1 for Bluetooth earbud and macaron phone case, and we will get the cost per unit. The fixed expenses that include in our business are rental, electric bill, advertisement, and so on. We estimate that our total fixed expenses in the fourth quarter of the year is Rm 6,225. Step 2. We have to determine the sales mix. Sales mix is the ratio of product being sold by our business. As a result, we found that for selling 3 cables for every 2 Bluetooth earbuds, 4 90 tempered glasses, and macaron phone case. Step 3 is to define the product as a package. To calculate the package contribution margin, we use the unit contribution margin multiple with the sales mix to get the package contribution margin, and we will get the package total with amount Rm 150 and 30 cents. Step 4 is determine the break-even point in units sold and dollars. The formula of break-even point in units sold of the package is total fixed cost divided by package contribution margin, and we get 42 units. After that, we can calculate the BEP in units sold for each product with the formula BEP in units sold for package multiple with the sales mix. Now, we will calculate that the BEP in units sold for each product. As a result, we selling 122 units of cable, 84 units of Bluetooth earbud, 168 units of 9D tempered glass, and macaron phone case. We can cover our total cost. After we have the BEP in units sold, we can also calculate the BEP in dollar with the BEP in units sold multiple with the selling price. And now we can get the BEP in total sales of each product. For cable is Rm 2,268, Bluetooth earbud is Rm 3,360, 9D tempered glass and macaron phone case is Rm 2,520. Now, I would like to discuss with you the projected profit and loss. Sales minus COGS to get the contribution margin of each product. Then we will minus the selling and administrative expense to get the net income. From here, first we will get the total gross margin. After that, we minus the selling and administrative expense which include fixed and variable. And the net income we can get is Rm 2,793. Next, we will prepare the projected cash flow. From here, the cash collection that we get in the fourth quarter of the year is Rm 80,240, which included the cash sales and the capital. The cash disbursement includes cash purchase with 20%, cash payment for account payable with 80%, fixed and variable selling and administrative expenses. The total disbursement in the fourth quarter of the year is Rm 11,292 and 60 cents. The net cash flow is total cash available deduct the total disbursement. And now, we can calculate the ending cash balance, which is beginning cash balance, at the net cash flow. We will move the ending cash balance in October to the beginning cash balance in November. The ending cash balance in the fourth quarter of the year is Rm 6,947 and 40 cents.
Then I would like to continue our presentation with projected balance sheet. This is the projected balance sheet of JStore as at 31st December 2020. The total assets of JStore is 7,651 ringgit and 40 cents. The stockholders' equity of JStore is 5,793 ringgit, while the total liabilities is 1,858 ringgit and 40 cents. Next, I would like to present about the business ratio. There are 3 types of business ratios suitable to be used on JStore, which are liquidity ratio, activity ratio, and profitability ratio. The first is liquidity ratio. Liquidity ratio measures the ability of the company to satisfy its short-term obligation when they come due. There are 2 types of liquidity ratio, which are current ratio and quick ratio. Current ratio equals to current asset divided by current liability, and the current ratio of JStore is 4.12 times. This implies that JStore is able to pay its short-term obligation. Next is quick ratio. Quick ratio equals to quick assets divided by current liability. quick asset equals to current asset minus the inventory. The quick ratio of JStore is 3.74 times, and it indicates that JStore has enough quick asset to cover its short-term obligations. Second is activity ratio. Activity ratio measures how effectively the company can use its asset. There are two types of activity ratio, which are inventory turnover and asset turnover. Inventory turnover equals to cost of goods sold divided by average inventory. The inventory turnover of JStore is 6.15 times. The inventory turnover ratio indicates that there will be around 6 inventory turns per quarter, showing that JStore can sell and replace its inventory frequently in a quarter. Then is asset turnover. Asset turnover equals to sales divided by average total assets. The asset turnover of JStore is 1.99 times, and it indicates that for every 1 ringgit in asset, JStore generated 1.99 ringgit of sales. Lastly is profitability ratio. Profitability ratio measures the company profit with respect to a given level of sales, a certain level of assets, or the owner investment. There are two types of profitability ratio, which are return on asset and net profit margin. Return on asset equals to net profit divided by total assets. The return on asset ratio of JStore is 0.37 times, and it indicates that JStore can generate 37 cents in profit for every 1 ringgit of asset use. Next is net profit margin. Net profit margin equals to net profit divided by sales. The net profit margin of 0.18 times implies that JStore can generate 18 cents for every 1 ringgit of sales made. In conclusion, it can be said that JStore is a potential company that is run by a management team who are passionate in satisfying the customer's satisfaction and desire. With the offer of high-quality products with affordable prices, we are confident that JStore will be one of the top choices of all phone users among the accessory shops. By holding the basis value of integrity, customer focus, and teamwork, we believe that the business size of JStore can be expanded and eventually reach a higher level in the mobile phone accessories industry. JStore will continue to provide the best quality products and services as well as increase the variety of products in order to achieve our mission. Last but not least, we also hope that we could achieve our vision, which is creating our own brand of mobile phone accessories successfully in the future. That's all from us. Thank you.